Why every installer swears by the SureCall RF signal meter. SC-METER-01. Gimmick or game changer? Ever feel like you're fumbling in the dark with your antenna setups? You've got the booster, the cables, the gear, but the signal's still trash. You try your phone to measure bars, but it's useless. You're wasting hours, second-guessing placements, chasing ghosts. You're stuck, frustrated, and feeling totally blocked by clunky tools that should make things easier. Meanwhile, your motivation's slipping, deadlines are breathing down your neck, and you're starting to think you'll never crack this signal mystery. Sound familiar? We've all been there, burned by gear that overpromises and underdelivers. Now the clock's ticking. You've got installations piling up, RV trips ruined by no signal, vending machines with zero data coverage, and the stress? It's off the charts. Your signal boosters are only as good as the placement, and your guesses keep backfiring. Missed calls. Missed deals. Missed peace of mind. You're constantly backtracking, sweating in the sun or freezing on a rooftop, hoping this time the antenna's pointing the right way. You deserve better than this stress circus. It's not just frustrating, it's borderline infuriating. Let's call it what it is. Burnout disguised as just another install. Enter the SureCall SC-METER-01, 5-band RF signal meter, your new install day lifesaver. This bad boy isn't here to play. It gives real-time, dead-accurate measurements for 4G LTE, PCS, AWS, and cellular bands across all major North American carriers. We're talking 5 full bands, super-sensitive readings down to -110 dBm, and 3 intelligent signal modes that switch fast. The LCD readout? Glorious. The backlight? Perfect for night ops. Comes ready to roll with AAA rechargeable batteries, 2 SMA to windmill cables, 9-inch and 24-inch right-angle antenna, AC adapter, and more, all packed under 1 pound. Whether you're rooftop testing, mapping dead zones, or dialing in a high-gain directional antenna, this meter saves you hours and gives you absolute control. People are raving, helped increase my signal from -115 to -63 dBm, without an amplifier. One installer claims it paid for itself in the first job. Mobile Internet Resource Center calls it simple, responsive, and invaluable. Another said, now my neighbors rent it from me, it's that useful. Imagine turning signal hell installs into plug-and-play wins. Imagine hitting exact alignment in minutes, not hours. With this meter, you don't guess. You dominate. Boosting signal has never been this precise, or this satisfying. Don't just take our word, see why RVers, installers, remote business owners, and signal pros are ditching bar counting phones for the SureCall experience. Get those 5 bars your way, no more praying to the antenna gods. Don't wait. Stock is moving fast and the installs aren't slowing down. Whether you're optimizing a 5G setup or saving an RV trip from becoming a silent weekend, this tool is your golden ticket. Buy now, secure yours today, and join the thousands who've already unlocked peak performance with SureCall. No contracts. No tech headaches. Just signal clarity, on your terms. Be the pro everyone calls when the bars disappear. Act now, before you're stuck guessing again.